Welcome to the latest innovation in adhesion, UltraFix PRO. Stick with the best. In the world of adhesive solutions, efficiency and simplicity make all the difference. UltraFix PRO brings all you need in one compact, lightweight crate, easy to carry and ready to go. In contrast, the two-component glue requires multiple components, a glue machine and a drill, making it bulkier and harder to handle. Theo's task is straightforward with UltraFix PRO. Shake the canister 20 to 25 times. Attach it to the applicator gun with or without the applicator head, or use the supplied straw. Then simply apply the adhesive. Quick, straightforward, and effective. UltraFix PRO is up to twice as fast compared to two-component glues. And with just one can of UltraFix PRO, you can bond up to approximately 15 to 20 linear meters of seams. Meanwhile, the two-component glue demands a more complex process. Opening, mixing, and pouring the glue into the glue box requires extra steps. A coworker must then pull the glue strip under the glue box to distribute it evenly. UltraFix PRO is versatile, performing exceptionally in both wet and dry conditions. Just ensure there are no large puddles on the seaming tape. For a quicker and stronger bond on warmer and dry days, we recommend lightly sprinkling the adhesive with water. This accelerates the curing process, providing a reliable bond in any weather. Both products deliver optimal adhesion when used correctly. Theo efficiently applies UltraFix PRO, taking care to press the seam into the adhesive properly. With UltraFix PRO, not only is the adhesion process faster, but you can also begin sanding or brushing your artificial grass after approximately 15 to 25 minutes. Cleanup is effortless with UltraFix PRO. Simply place the applicator gun and adhesive back into the crate, and you're done. In contrast, the two-component glue involves additional work cleaning equipment, managing waste and making multiple trips to gather tools and dispose of leftover materials. Choose efficiency, choose comfort, choose UltraFix PRO. Stick with the best.